Morning everyone, welcome to Cancer Cooks. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy thing that you can have standing by in the fridge for breakfast, for lunch. It's a really good way of getting some oats and some fruit and some dairy into you as well. So I've got here a bowl of oats, just of rolled oats. I'm just going to add those into my dish. And then I've got a mixture of sunflower and pumpkin seeds. Now, this also works really well with other nuts, almonds particularly well, so you can add flaked almonds to this. And then we're going to soak these, and it's basically a cold porridge or birch muesli. So we're just going to add enough apple juice. I don't want to soak it, I just want there to be enough liquid in there to absorb and plump the oats up. And then I'm going to add some Greek yogurt. So just a tablespoon here, really heaped tablespoon. I'm just going to give that a stir through. And then I'm going to leave this in the fridge overnight. The oats are going to soak up all of that apple juice and the yogurt, and it's going to take on a really lovely creamy consistency and tenderise the oats. And then in the morning, tomorrow morning, I'm going to show you a few additions to that to just turn it into a really lovely fresh breakfast snack. So cling film goes over. And I'm going to pop that in the fridge, and you can make quite a large quantity of this because it keeps for several days. So you can make double that quantity and just have it kept in the fridge, and then we will add our fresh ingredients tomorrow just to liven it up and give it a real zing. So there it is, that's my overnight oats. They're going to go in overnight. Bye. Morning. Excuse the bedhead and the pyjamas. It's an absolutely gorgeous morning here. So I've got my overnight oats or birch muesli for breakfast this morning, so I'm just going to show you how we finish that off. But first of all, I just really need some coffee. And here we go. So that's our oats have been in the fridge overnight, and you can see it's basically turned into cold porridge. So it's got a really lovely creamy texture. You can see the oats have just plumped up. So we're just going to add some fresh apple to that to give it a real zinginess, and have it with some fresh fruit. So just going to grate about half an apple into that. No need to take the skin off. And this is a really good portable recipe as well, because if you're going for chemo, you'll get a little bit hungry after they give you the steroids. So take some of this in some Tupperware with you. And there's loads of slow release energy in these oats, and also that freshness of the apple and the yogurt will really give you a nice mouth feeling when you're beginning to feel a little bit grubby from that being underneath the fluorescent lights and in the chemo chair. So there we have it. Strong coffee, overnight oats, a few fresh blueberries. And that is me set for the day. I hope you have a good one. Take care.